You are watching Tapan's presentation.
Yeah.
So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So, would you like to introduce yourself? Because this is our
Yeah,
first talking. Yeah.
yeah, sure. So, my name is Arundhati Rokktima. I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh. I live in the town of Bhilai, and I study in class 8th right now. I'm 13 years old, and my hobbies are reading books, painting, singing, and dancing. So, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, that's nice. I'm Topon and I am from West Bengal. I am a student. Currently, I am doing my graduation in English literature, and this is my final year. And I am a YouTuber even so. This is my hobby. And if you talk about my hobbies and other hobbies, then I like to talk with the standard people. Yeah, that's all.
That's great.
Yeah. So nice to meet you. I am feeling happy to see you here. So once I messaged you to make video with me. So now I'm feeling very happy to
Yeah,
see you.
it's great having a conversation with you.
Okay.
So, tell me, how was your day today?
This day was very nice. In the morning, I went to my tuition, and after returning the tuition, I went to the college. And after returning the college, I bath, and now I'm talking with you. Yeah.
That's great. So, it was like a busy day today, right?
Yeah, it happens daily. Okay, this is my daily routine. Okay. So how was the day?
So my day was very nice because it is our holiday from our school today. So I was at home since morning. So I had a lot of relaxation from school, and we also had our exams. Our exams ended a day before yesterday. So now I'm all relaxed because our exams have ended and we have a holiday from our school. So it was a fun day.
Okay, so you're free now. Your exam has
Yeah.
ended. Yeah. So when I messaged you, so at the time your exam was, so now it is
Yeah.
ended. Okay, that's good. So would you like to discuss any topic?
Yeah, we can go for a topic. So there's a topic in my mind that is knowledge versus degree, which is more important. So we can go for that topic.
Yes, obviously. This is a nice topic. I like it. Yeah.
So would you like to go first?
Like I would like to talk about the knowledge in favor of knowledge, okay, and you will talk about in favor of degree, okay, so you will first start. Yeah.
Okay, so I will start first, right?
Okay.
So, degree and knowledge both are very important. And knowledge is all about knowing about the world and knowing how to do different things. But degree is about learning things from your book and then giving an exam and getting that degree. So it's more like a bookish knowledge. And I feel like degree is very important if you want to get a job or any particular career, if you want to go for any particular career. Because the first thing that makes you eligible to get that job is your degree. Because nowadays whenever we go for any interviews or anything, then the first thing that the interviewer asks us is about our degrees. So degree is very important if you want to get a particular job. But if you're going for a business or like a freelancer job, then degree is not that important, because then the main thing that you would need is knowledge, because no one is going to check your degree if you are your own boss in a business, right? But degree is very important if you want to get a particular job and you want to work under someone as in like a job. Like let's say that you want to work in a bank or in some other place, then degrees are very important, because because with the help of degrees only you'll be able to get a job. Because nowadays I have seen that in government job also people see the marks of your exams and how well you did in the exams, and that is the main thing that helps you get the job. So degrees are important very much, but knowledge is also important, because after getting a degree and after getting a job, if you have to work in an office, you'll need the knowledge of that field, of that particular career. So knowledge is also important along with the degree.
Yeah, that is great explanation. I like your talking, I like your style of speaking. Yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
So you have described well, and this is right that degree is also important as knowledge is important. So I would like to tell that degree is something. Degree is like a certificate you get after your examination in our traditional style of education. So this is degree. Suppose you have been learning something or you have been studying on a particular class, and after a year, after examination, you will get a certificate. That is called degree, and it
Yeah.
is really neat in our professional life. But knowledge is something which makes us wise, okay, which make us understand the things what is wrong and what is right. So that is knowledge, and I think it is very much important. Apparently you may have a great degree or you may have a sufficient degree to get job, but if you don't have knowledge, if you're unable to work on it, then it will not means you will be nothing for good. Okay, so this is the important thing to remember. So I would like to tell that degree is also important and knowledge is much more important than degree. Okay, because suppose you have involved in a company like a software company, and you have a great degree, but you have little bit knowledge about software, but you cannot work well. So this is your bad things. So it also happens with the people. So this is all.
Yeah, you are right. Like, knowledge is very important if you want to work in a workplace, and implementing the knowledge that you have in the place you work is very important, because with the help of knowledge only you'll be able to work properly. Like, with the help of degree, you cannot work in your daily life,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. But in this modern world, the people, the students are also rushing within the degree. Just we need
Yeah.
degree, we need degree.
Yeah.
Okay, this is important now. Yeah.
Hmm. Like, getting a degree has become a sign of respect and a sign
Yeah.
of being like higher than someone, because nowadays degree has become very important. People nowadays don't really care about knowledge. The main thing that they want to accomplish in their life is getting a degree and then getting a job with the help of that degree. So degree has become like a main thing for people.
Yeah. It sometimes happens that like people consider your degree as your first
Yeah.
impression, like when they hear that you're graduate from Oxford University, wow, you're graduate from Oxford University, you have a great personality. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is a first impression of the people. Okay, like when you appeared in the interview and interviewer asks what's your education qualification, and you are saying that I am graduate from Oxford University. So this is a important for
Yeah.
the people or the candidate who are going to appear in interview. So also knowledge is important, I think.
Yeah.
Suppose after getting the first impression that you are graduate from Oxford University, so then they will ask you some question, obviously. So when you will not able to answer the proper answer that type of question, which will be asked by the interviewers, if you are unable to answer, then they will think that your degree is fake.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have knowledge. Yeah.
Hmm. And you know what? Nowadays, people even judge others on the basis of their degrees. Like, let's say that I have graduated from a really great and famous college and I've got a really nice degree. Then people will think that, oh, I'm a good person. I have great knowledge also, and I'm capable of doing many things. I'm great in a way. But if I say that, oh, I do not have a degree, then people would think that, oh, I like a dumb person or something like that. And people judge others on the basis of their degrees.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
But you know what? Knowledge is something that helps you as yourself a lot, because people
Yeah.
won't be able to see how much knowledge you have on the first meeting. Like, if I meet a random person or out of the blue, and then I would not know how much knowledge that person has, because even if they introduce themselves that, oh, I got my degree from this college, then I would not be able to know how much knowledge they have. Like, I would
Yeah.
be able to know what degree they have, but not the amount of knowledge they have in their brain. So getting to know about someone else's knowledge is like a difficult thing, because then you'll have to stay with them for a long while, and then only you'll be able to get to know about their knowledge, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, and also knowledge is also helps us in our practical life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like degree cannot help you in your practical life.
Hmm.
So it is always in educational system. It is always been helpful in your education or something in profession. Like okay, but knowledge will help you in your practical life. Yeah.
Yeah. And you know what? Even if you don't have a job, you can use your knowledge to become a freelancer or a businessman. Let's say that you are really great in singing, dancing, or like coding something. Then you can use that knowledge and become a freelancer and earn in that way. So knowledge can be really important. You know, in our daily life, we have to make so many decisions and do so many things. And we are able to do that with the help of our knowledge only. Like if we do not have great knowledge about something, then we'll not be able to make proper decisions of that.
Yeah. Suppose I have some creative activities, you have some creative knowledge. So this is a kind of knowledge. So you can do anything, whatever you want. Like some talented boys who are not so much educated, they are just earning money from YouTube or any other in any
Yeah.
field they are earning. So this is the impact of knowledge. But if you have degree but you cannot work, so this is not well. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I saw so many videos in YouTube that they are earning money, that they speaking well, so they're earning money from YouTube. So I also
Hmm.
got this idea that I can speak also English, so I can also make video for YouTube.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Nowadays, a lot of people are earning money and getting their bread and butter with the help of social media like Instagram, YouTube, and there are so many platforms where people can upload their videos and then earn money. So I think that is all possible with the help of knowledge only, because you have
Yeah.
a knowledge of a certain thing, then you're posting the videos of that, and then you can earn money. So in that way, people are making use of their knowledge. So knowledge is also important.
Yeah. So in this side, knowledge is important, but sometimes knowledge cannot be important. Like when you interviewer or some company will ask you that what is your education qualification. So you are
Yeah.
just telling that I am not graduate, just I passed my metric. So
Yeah.
they will not accept you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So getting a
they will
job.
judge by seeing your degree, not knowledge.
Yeah, yeah. You know what? Getting a job is like if you have a degree, then getting a job becomes easier for you, because then people will think of you as a very knowledgeable person. Because if you have a degree, that equals to having knowledge, because that's what people think nowadays. So
Yeah.
getting a degree is very helpful for getting a job.
Yeah. Yeah. This like these two things are related to each other. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
So would you like to add any more points? You can add.
So I do not really have anything in my mind right now, but I would like to say this one more thing, that knowledge and degree are both equally important, because if you don't have knowledge, you'll not be able to survive in this world. But if you do not have degree, then you'll not be able to get a proper job or like a dream job of yours. So that's why they are both like equal. So both are important in our life.
Yeah, both are important. Yeah, but we discussed that if you have degree, but if you cannot work properly, then you will not be able to survive in the world. And also, if you have knowledge but you do not have degree, then you also can little bit. You can do little bit for your sake. Like
Yeah.
I gave you example. Some YouTubers are
Hmm.
earning money from YouTube or also
Yeah.
on social media like YouTube. So this is a kind of knowledge, impact of knowledge. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. But you know what? If you have a degree, it's then you can get a job, and then it's secure that you have a secure job. You can earn monthly, like a particular amount of money. So that is like all secure, and it's decided that you'll get this much amount of money every month. But if you have knowledge and you're trying to do something like a freelancer or uploading videos on YouTube, then the amount of money you get is not secure. It's just not like the same every month. So there is also
Yeah.
a risk
Right.
of
Right.
not getting money, and it can either be like very less or very high. There's no middle in these things.
Yeah.
There's no
No balance.
security
No
in that.
balance. Yeah.
Yes, no balance.
Like it happens or it depends on your activities, like how
Yeah.
your activities. It
Hmm.
always depends. But in the case of degree, it doesn't depend that how your activities. Like you have degree,
Yeah,
you're
you
releasing.
have to agree. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was a really nice
Yeah.
conversation with you. I loved your views and your opinions, how you express yourself. It's really great.
Yeah, thank you so much. And it was great. I like your style of talking. Yeah,
Thank
like
you.
your speaking is very clear. I met so many people from the foreign country, or also I talk with so many people from India. So you are one of them. So I like your style of talking. It's very clear.
Thank
Everyone
you.
can
Thank you.
understand your language. Yeah.
Thank you very much. And you also speak really well.
Yeah, thank you so much. So this was very nice conversation.
So it was really great talking to you. I hope we meet
Yeah.
soon.
So nice
So,
to meet you. What can I end right now?
could you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
I'm saying that we can now end the call.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, same to you.